Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the heating problem in your device Find X Pro and Find N. So even this device, if you're having any problem related to the heating, like the device heats up while using or the temperature of device increases while using, you can fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before you move to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix this problem in your device. Let's watch it.